OMG, my boss is crazy. I thought that he buy this 200 unit of A1 Wi-Fi smart lock is for selling, but actually it's not.
5 days ago.
Misa, last time the best-selling model A1 Wi-Fi, you already got stock or not?
Yeah, it's already restocked. How many you want to get this time?
This time I want 200 units. How much you can give me?
Okay, let me call to my boss to ask the deals. Hello, boss. Abrain just come. She want to order 200 unit of the A1 Wi-Fi this time. What is the best price you can give to her? Oh, like this Okay, I get it. Okay, thank you very much. Thanks. Okay, boss say this is a unit must in cash term.
Like this 200 units on.
Why I'm saying my boss is crazy? Because normally I can sell this wooden smart lock at $899, but he want to give away for free. Not only for free 1 or 2 units, he want to free all 200 units. So how to get it free? Now, if you purchase this dual fingerprint grill door lock, I will direct free you this A1 Wi-Fi smart lock for your wooden door too. You can get free installation for both door locks. Giveaway will be ending soon, so don't miss it. If you are interested, inbox me now.